Hi guys, my name is Kilo Hermayanti and this is my final test exam from academic presentation, and I want to presentation and I choose one topic: use of social media by teenagers and its effect on the quality of education. Social media has become an integral part of teenagers' lives in the digital age. Platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook or Twitter are not only used for socializing but also influence various aspects of life, including education. While social media offers many benefits, its excessive or inappropriate use can negatively impact the quality of education. In the digital world, technology has two impacts, one negative and one positive, in the world of education. So, let's see the explanation. The positive impact of social media on education is consisting of access to information and knowledge, collaboration and discussion, digital skill development, and motivation and inspiration. Okay, the first of positive impact social media on education is access to information and knowledge. Access to information and knowledge, social media makes it easier for teenagers to access learning materials, educational videos, and academic discussion, as well as the creation of learning content in interactive and boring way. So, with the existence of technology, teenagers are not bored in terms of learning. If in the past they only rely on a book, now we can use technology to make fun learning so that the learning atmosphere is more exciting. Okay, for the next, from positive impacts on social media in education is collaboration and discussion. Can we join learning outside of school hour without having to meet in person, and can make online learning quiz? If from this point, we can capture relate to saving time. For example, we don't need to meet in one place at the same time to carry out group work activities. We can share tasks and discussion through online or virtual meetings and can learn others positive things when we are out of school. In the next is digital skill development. Teens can use technology from social media to support learning, research and presentation and creativity. In this case, finding research sources can be easier through the internet. There is no need to buy many books at expensive prices, or we have to go all the way to National Library to find journal references, because on the internet we can find many journal references. Okay, and last, from the positive impact of social media on education is motivation and inspiration. Motivational content from favorite figures or influencers that educate positively can encourage teenagers to follow their learning spirit. Have we ever been FOMO about something and like to follow our idol artist or influencer? Well, one of them can be a positive impact if we watch positive educational content from them and we can emulate it. Okay, in the next part is the negative impact of social media on education. Is concentration disorder, decline in academic performance. Okay, in the next part, the negative impact of social media on education is concentration disorder, decline in academic performance, spread of misinformation or hoax, and mental health issue. Okay, in the first is concentration disorder. Concentration disorder like this. Example, notification from social media. often distract teenagers from studying, and this can reduce focus and productivity. And this also happens to me too, and I experience it when there is a notification, especially from loved one. We immediately want to see and reply, or suddenly there is a notification of an online shopping discount voucher. We want to quickly check out and scroll through our social media, and finally learning is delayed and laziness arises. And second is decline in academic performance. Teenagers become addicted to social media, who will tend to spend their time scrolling through social media rather than studying. And the second is decline in academic performance. Teenagers become addicted to social media, who will tend to spend their time scrolling through social media rather than studying. Studies show a correlation between excessive social media use and lower test score. Well, as in the previous part, this is interrelated. With the emergence of laziness, there is automatically a sense of decreased enthusiasm for learning and resulting in lower academic achievement. In the third is spread of misinformation or hoax. Teenagers are now vulnerable to exposure to false, erroneous, or fraudulent information that can affect academic understanding. In this day and age, there are a lot of people who spread fake news on social media. Especially today's most social media users are teenagers, who at that age still have an unstable stance and easily believe things that are actually lies. So, from that, we must be wiser in reading or hearing news on social media, yeah. And last from part, the negative impact social media on education is mental health issue. Mental health issues, social pressure or cyberbullying can increase stress and anxiety and impact on the academic performance of adolescents. Besides the many fake news spread on social media by irresponsible people, there are also many people who bully others and no age. The cause is that teenagers can become insecure at school, always full of anxiety and fear, which will make them mentally down and a very significant decline in academic achievement. So, what are the solutions to all these problems? There are several solutions that we can do, including digital literacy, time management, educational utilization, the role of parents and teachers, and teenage self-awareness. The first is digital literacy solution. In digital literacy schools, and parents need to teach how to use social media wisely, including verifying information so as not to get caught up in false information that can lead to academic and mental problems. Time management. In time management, limiting social media usage time with a screen time application or study schedules so as not to be distracted by other things that can interfere with study focus. Educational utilization. Utilize platforms such as Google Classroom, Notion, or Duolingo to support good and fun learning. The role of parents and teachers. Providing supervision without restraint, as well as being an example in the wise use of technology. Teen self-awareness should be able to set priority from learning versus entertainment and choose useful content to watch and use as learning or example. So, in this conclusion, my presentation, social media is a double-edged knife for adults and education. On the one hand, it expands access to knowledge and collaboration. On the other hand, it has the potential to disrupt concentration and academic performance if not used wisely. With a balanced approach involving the role of schools, families, and teen self-awareness, social media can be a tool to support, not hinder, the quality of education. I'm Kilo Hermayanti. That's enough from me. Thank you.